Hello everyone and welcome. As you can see, I have a small problem with my Passat's glove box, and today I will be removing old broken one and replacing it with old non-broken one, and I'll show you all the process of doing it so that you can do it all by yourself at home. Let's begin. So, the glove box on my Passat B5 Plus is originally held by 7 screws, 3 at the top, 2 at the sides near the lower middle part, and 2 at the bottom by the sides. But mine has less screws in the original places and more at where the screws shouldn't have even been. So let's begin by removing all the screws. Now, carefully pry out the whole glove box assembly and make sure not to break the light mechanism that lives inside the glove box. Now grab a non-broken glove box and put it in the same way that you took out the old one, but try to be a little bit more careful because it's not broken yet. Put all of the screws in their places and carefully tighten them to avoid breaking any plastics. Most of the bottom ones were broken on mine. That's why there were so many screws that there shouldn't have been any screws.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
And this will be it for today's video. I hope that this video helped you in any way, and if you may want to see any more Passat B5 Plus content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video to give me some love. Thank you and goodbye.